We've all seen these on the ceiling, right? Smoke detectors. Not necessarily. They now make combination detectors for both smoke and carbon monoxide.
That's right. It's actually a lot cheaper if you just buy one instead of two.
And this will detect both.
Both. And it's important to put it on each floor and in each bedroom. That way you know if there's a problem.
Why is it important for carbon monoxide detection?
Well, you never know what's happening in your home. So carbon monoxide is odorless, tasteless, and you can't see it or smell it. So your devices inside of your home, like a furnace or water heater, fireplace, what have you, can't put that on. And this will tell them.
Okay, and they can be hardwired, or you can buy a portable one.
Absolutely.
And Brothers has both. For more information and details, give them a call. 303-451-5057.